So hello everyone, I hope everyone doing great. So in this video we are going to learn how we can make our language translator using Python. So for this I am going to use mainly 4 libraries, which is speech recognition, Google Translator, Google text to speech and play sound. So now we will see the code for this project and I will explain each of the line of this project so that you can also implement the same, and I will also discuss some common issues so which can be occur while you are going to implement the same code. So I will also give you the solution for that if that issue is occurring while you are implementing this code. So now we will see the code part. So here I am naming as language translator. So our project is ready. Now the first step, we will install all the required libraries here, then we will go through the code. So first thing, we will going to install PyAudio here. So here we will get the command from this website. If in your system that PyAudio is not working, in that case we are going to use brew install port audio. Now the next one, we are going to install Google Trans. So this version, that 3.00, there are some issue with this version, so we are going to use alpha version for this Google Translator. So I am going to give you command for that also. So this is the command for that Google Translate. I have written in a capital letter, but it will be in a small letter. So command will be like this. I will also paste all the command in the description box, so you can also refer that. Yeah, so our two main libraries installed, which is PyAudio and Google Translate. Now the next one is, next we will install speech recognition. So just need to copy here and we will install. And the next one is Google text to speech. I will explain you the working of each library here. Now the last one is Google Play Sound. Yeah, so if you are following my channel, then you have seen that video on Jarvis, how I have created the virtual assistant using Python. So in that I have used speech recognition library, where whichever I am speaking, that word it was converting into a text. So in that part I will do the same code. We are going to just change the code part where we will change our text into in another language. So that will be Google Translate. So this will be new feature for your virtual assistant. You can also add this part in your Jarvis project, that whichever you are speaking, it will convert your English language to in any another language. So you can also add this code in that project if we have already made that project. So now we are going to import all the libraries here. So first we are going to import speech recognition as S. Next we will Google Translate, import translator. And the next one is Google text to speech, import. And the last one is Google Play Sound, import. Yeah, so our first step is done. Now we are going to just make one listener s dot recognizer. Yeah, here I have called this recognizer function. If you have already seen my that Jarvis video, virtual assistant video, then you are very familiar with this line. Now we just need to create one function like language translator, and here we will write all the codes. So here we are going to use our microphone, which will listen our voice and it will take our voice as a input. Now the next line we can also print like it is listening. Now our input, this will be our input which we are going to speak. Listener dot listen, and which that input will come from the microphone. So that is why we are passing this input here. Now the next one, we will create one variable like text, and that listener will recognize Google. So our input, let me explain this line, what this line is doing. So this line, what is this line doing? Whatever we will speak, that will pass here and it will store in this variable. So that voice will store in this variable, and that voice we will pass here. So this recognize Google, what it will do, it will convert our voice into text. So if you want to see the result, you can also print the text here. So you can see here. Now we are going to pass this, call this function, and whatever I will speak, that will print here. Let me show you. Hi, how are you? Yeah, you can see here I have said like hi, how are you. It is printing here. So that's mean our project is working fine now. Until now we just need to convert this text into our desired language. So here we just need to create one variable like translator, and we will call the translator function here. And here we are going to make, suppose I'm making one variable like t, and we will call translator don't translate, and here we will pass the text. What is that text? Whichever we are speaking, that will convert into a text, and we will pass here. And we are going to, here we will pass the destination language. So here we are going to change it into a Hindi. So we are going to write the language code for Hindi. It is HI. You can also refer all the language code here. So for checking the language code, just go to this API documentation. Here you can see, you can find all the language code here. So that is it. Now our text, this text is converted into Hindi. So now we just need to make one program like this, that our this text are going to convert into voice format, so we can also listen. So if you have already seen my virtual assistant video, then you are going to ask me, sir, why you are not using here PyText to speech? In that video there I was using PyText to speech. So whatever I was speaking, according to my command, it was working and it was replying me, but that language was in English. But here we are converting our language into a Hindi. So in that case, that PyText to speech having some issue, it will not speak that Hindi sentence. So for resolving that issue only, I am going to use here Google Text to Speech. So now we are just going to make one variable like voice, and here we are going to use GTS, and here we will pass the text here t.text. Let me show you why I am using t.text here, and our language will be Hindi. Before that, let me comment this line and let me show you the result for this translated language. So T here. What is your name? Yes, you can see here it is giving the all the result. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है here, but we have to just access this text. So that is why what we can do here, t.text here. So it will print only that text. What is your name? Yes, now you can see it is printing only that thing. So now just what need to do, just comment this line and comment this also. Now I'm going to create like voice dot, we are going to save this voice file. I'm giving like language.mp3. Now we are going to use this library which will play this mp3 file. So here what we are going to do, we are going to use play sound and we will pass the file name. Yeah, so our program is done. Let me show you. What is your name? Yeah, so here you can see it is showing one error also. So for that NS sound you just need to install PyWhatKit. It will contain all this library, so just need to install PyWhatKit here. So now we are going to run this. What is your name?
तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
So now you can see it is working very fine. You can change it to any language. You just need to pass the language code here, so you can check all the code here and you can convert here. So I hope you like this video. If you have any query, kindly let me know in the comment section, and let me explain again what I have did here. For speech recognition, what it is doing here, it is hearing our voice and we are going to convert our voice into a text format, and we are passing that text into Google Translator here, and it is converting our text into a desired language. We are saving that output into one mp3 file and we are just going to play that sound. If we are going to use Pi text to speech, so in that Hindi case it is not going to speak anything. So this code will work in any language. So I hope you are liking my content. If you have any query, kindly let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel for daily videos. Thank you so much guys for watching.